Welcome to Indian Business Developers Solar channel. We are the exclusive area partners for Cyber Power and Rich Phytocare in the district of Kottayam in Kerala. If you have any solar needs, for example grid tied, we specialize in grid tied installations and we are approved by the KSEB. We tie up with the KSEB and we will do the grid tied installation for you. We also do off grid for specific needs, and we also do hybrid systems which gives you the best of both worlds. All these kind of installations which will be the best in the world. We have the latest technology, for example monitoring on your phone through apps. That kind of level of technology is available to you today at a really good attractive pricing. If you have any solar needs, make sure to contact us on our website solarpowerkottayam.com, or in the link of the description of this video you will get our phone numbers, our contact numbers. You can contact us and we will help you with the installations. We do all kinds of installations. Our sizes start from 2 kilowatts all the way up till megawatt scales, and we have done megawatt scale projects, the details of which are on our website including the completion reports. So that should give you a surety that we are ready to help you, we are able to help you in the best of our abilities. Our company in total, the parent company, has completed more than 450 installations in the state of Kerala itself, and we have been in the field since 2014. If you have any solar needs, kindly contact us and we will help you to the best of our abilities. Our team is the best trained, well skilled. We have different teams for different aspects of the installation. For example, we have design teams who will create the design of your project and cater specifically tailored for your project. We have through computer aided design. We also have electrical teams who will do the electrical side. The fabrication teams will come and do the fabrication side. Everything is done very professionally, and you can see it already in our testimonials on the website also, and there will be other testimonials and project videos which will be uploaded to our YouTube channel, this channel, and you can check out all of them and be happy with them. So if you want anything, any help relating to your solar needs, kindly contact us and we'll be happy to help you. This has been Jace, the proprietor of Indian Business Developers Solar, and I and my team will be happy to hear from you soon. See you soon.